Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Sleeping Dogs, where I'm going to show you how you can change the sensitivity settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sleeping Dogs game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Now from the Options page, click on Game and Controls, and now if you scroll down, you will see the Y-axis as well as the X-axis option. If you wish to invert these, you can simply choose the invert option or leave them as normal based on your preference. Now on the aim pitch option, you can increase or decrease the sensitivity by choosing your desired sensitivity level. Within the aim yaw section, you can also do the same, which is the aim down the scope mode. And now underneath you will find the camera pitch as well as camera yaw option. Increasing or decreasing both of these will affect the sensitivity level. By choosing your desired sensitivity level, you can adjust this even mid-game while you are playing. Once you are done, make sure to save your changes, and your preferences will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Sleeping Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.